Hello everyone, my name is Mbuh Terence. I'm a first student of HCC 2026. Throughout this week, we learned on two modules, design thinking and introduction to robotics. Robotics is a branch of engineering and computer science focused on the building and programming of machines that can mimic human act with little or no human intervention. We saw that there are two types of robots, autonomous robot and teleoperated robot. Autonomous robots are robots that can sense, think, and act entirely on their own, while teleoperated robots are robots that are being controlled by humans. We also went into design thinking. So design thinking is a human-centered approach to solve problems. We went into 5 steps of design thinking: empathy, define, idea, prototype, and test. And we also studied on user persona. Under user persona, we saw ideal user. Under ideal user, we saw that before we come up with any project, we go and interview users. Today, we had a quiz and we saw some features of other robots. Throughout this week, one of the most interesting part was when we saw our robot that was built for the game. Thank you.